This 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express LTZ 287 BHDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachmen is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, a storm interior, sleeps 10, Colorado detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, skylight, TV antenna, DVD player, spare tire kit, water heater, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express LTZ 287 BHDS is 6,562 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.